Good morning. I am behind on my ATCs, and this is week 11. It's late. I was in Nashville, so I did the card finally this weekend, which is 3 weeks late. 3 weeks late. It's okay when you do these types of challenges and you get behind, just get caught up and start over. So we're going to start over this Tuesday with week 13 because I do have 11 and 12 done. So keep watching for week number 12 video. So I went to Nashville for a conference and I decided that my card needed to reflect some of my personal things as well. So I hope that you like today's card. And I hope that you continue to follow along with me. I have a video coming out this afternoon, and it is a Flippin' Frenzy video. So I hope you'll join me again at 3:57 Central Time and watch my thrifted video. So you can follow along with this card, and I will see you at the end. We're going to start out week 11 with this Six of Spades. That doesn't really matter. I had all of these neutral pieces of scrap paper that I had used, and I did tear this flight to Nashville. I tore that out of an itinerary I had, and then I also found a stamp with some airplanes on it, which I thought was pretty fitting. And we're still in the Aquamarine stage, so I'm trying to find some of those blues and bluish green colors that I could utilize. And some of these maps were in my stash, and then also this paper from Roycycled Decoupage papers, and then a little bit of text. And when I did see the map, I thought, oh, I have one of those pieces of paper that has the states on it. So I would love to incorporate Wisconsin all the way to Tennessee onto the card. So what I did is I just cut this piece of paper to fit the entire card so that I could have Wisconsin and Nashville or Tennessee state on the card at the same time. I did need to cover that up with some white paint so that the card numbers and spades did not come shining through.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
After I had that base on, here's my little piece of itinerary that I had. I didn't think of it when I was in Nashville to grab something that had the word Nashville on it. The experience was amazing. I've wanted to go to Nashville for years and years and years. We were going to go in 2020, and then you all know what happened in 2020. So our trip got canceled. So this was my first opportunity since 2020 to take a trip to Nashville, and it was amazing. I want to go back, and I want to experience at the Nashville Main Street with my husband, and just have all of those experiences again. It was a really, really great place to visit. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Nashville. So I'm glad I had the opportunity to get there, and it was great. So I put that itinerary piece on there, and then I went ahead and tried to get this stamp off of the envelope. It did come off in one piece, which was good. And I had to figure out where to put this stamp so I didn't cover up Wisconsin or Tennessee. So I put it right in the center there, and we decoupaged that on there and started to create from here.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever. When I'm lying.
I used Walk on Water and a little blue iris, which are DIY paint colors. I wanted to mimic that coloring in the stamp. It had the greenish blue on the bottom and the bluer blue on the top. So this is pretty close to what that stamp is. I put some of the Walk on Water into the blue to tone that down just a bit. And then I brought in the white swan and lightened it up. Then I take those two colors and I blend them onto the card to give the same ombre effect as the stamp had.
It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So long when you go, and I can't get enough of you. So can't you stay a little while? I don't want you to leave, so please stay with me. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little while. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little Even if I try to leave, you still make me wanna stay. You ask me to believe in the words that you say, but I can't be strong if you can't move on. Don't you think we've had enough of the trauma you bring? Ain't you tired of thinking we can get through anything? 'Cause
I really like that ombre look, but you know me, I gotta have everything a little grungy. So I took my weathered wood and I wanted it not quite so dark. So I started to mix in the Walk on Water white swan mixture and lightening up that brown just a little bit. And then I went in on some of the areas of the card to darken up and grunge them up. I'm sure you've noticed I do like to use my fingers to blend the paint around. This card does have a coat of liquid patina on it, so nothing is soaking into the paper, which helps for you to smear that paint around with your finger.
if you can't be strong, but
I thought I'd highlight, I came from Wisconsin and traveled to Tennessee, and so I did that with just a colored pencil. I was using a black color. It did not show up as well, so I did go back in and highlight that with a little bit of red, kind of like the states are outlined with a little bit of red, so that is why I chose to use some red color on this arrow as well.
So you say you wanna change, but lately things have been the same. And it's my heart you're holding back again. And I can't be strong if you can't move on. Every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same. 'Cause I loved you for a lifetime. We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same. 'Cause I loved you for a lifetime. Now is the time for you to leave the past behind. We can run through fire and rain, but it always
A little bit of splatter and some more liquid patina to seal everything into the card. And we're going to call this week 11 done. My trip to Nashville was very, very good. I enjoyed every bit of it, and I also enjoyed creating this card to remember that trip as well.
When we're going dancing, my heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till
All right, it's done. Week 11 is done. My trip in Nashville was amazing. We did have a snowstorm that caused us to fly home a day late. We flew into a thunderstorm, and we had thunder and lightning and high winds and lots of rain on our landing into Nashville, which was a bit scary. And then on our way out, we had a snowstorm here in Wisconsin, so we couldn't get home. So we had to stay in Nashville an extra day. Thank goodness we did, because the where we flew in, they got a lot of snow. So I'd have been driving home in way too much snow and very slippery conditions. So I'm glad we waited it out, and we had a really good time in Nashville. It was a business conference, and I have lots of stuff coming your way. So be prepared. This brain is full, and she's got ideas, and she's going to give them to you. So keep following along. You'll hear my announcements as soon as I can give them to you. Until next time, happy painting.